Okay, here he is. He's in the wide open gym. Free to do anything he wants. What does he do? He seems to be stomping a lot. George, you stomping? What? Stomp, stomp. Seems to be a new trick. Lots of noise, lots of echo. Of course, now he shall try to escape. Wow, George, you can reach that, can't you? Will he make it? Haha. Okay, oh, he smacked it. George. Well, this could take a while, so, we'll call that the end for now.